Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to do printer head cleaning on an Epson XP-322. Now these cleaning cycles are a great way of resolving any print quality issues you might be having, and they're a great first step in troubleshooting. This can be done from the printer itself using nothing but the small control panel you can see here, and there's no need to have a PC or laptop attached. So, first of all, we're going to start off by moving ourselves along with the right hand arrow until setup is selected. Press OK to go in. Now if we move one to the right, it brings us to maintenance. Press OK again. Press to the right once, and head cleaning is shown. So, OK to go into that. Then you press the start button to start cleaning. Now it's important to note that this does use up ink from the printer's cartridges, so I would recommend avoiding doing repeated cleans, as it can run out your ink cartridges fairly quickly, but it's better than bad looking prints. So if we give the printer just a minute. After your printer spent this time whirring and clicking, you'll be returned to a screen that looks something like this. From here, you can either just press OK to finish up, but I would recommend if you go down, you can do a nozzle check, which is like a test page, and it shows your printer's ability to print all 4 of the colours that it uses. I'd always recommend running one of these off first of all, just to see the results if you're clean, and from here you can go in circles doing cleans and test pages until you're perfectly happy with the quality of your prints. Now I hope you found this video useful. If you have, let me know with a like. If there's anything else we can help with, let us know in the comments down below. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.